I am a saver. I save just about everything. But I am not a hoarder. Right there? No, I'm not. No, we needed that. I used it to fix... We'll talk about it later. When I fill up these containers with parts that I've saved, it's hard to find what I'm looking for. I end up dumping it out and sifting through a bunch of parts. So I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up some of these storage bins, 2 different sizes. But now I need to build something so I can store the bins. So out of a 3/4 inch piece of plywood, I'm gonna build a nice little storage shelf on wheels. And that's today's quick project.
Got a board on the bench, tape line straight. Got a plan in my head, measure twice. Make that pencil sing. Little pile of sawdust, that's my bling. Bins on the shelf, everything in its place. Screws lined up like they're running a race. Hinges, wheels, antique parts on deck. Harbor Freight heroes all labeled and checked. Bins on the shelf, now my shop feels right. Click goes the latch, oh it's tidy tonight. Oh it's tidy tonight. Cut, glue, clamp it tight, let it stay. Little wooden box for the chaos of the day. Each row made for a bin, a slide. Click, in it goes, yeah, I'm feeling that pride. Bins on the shelf, everything in its place. Screws lined up like a running race. Hinges, wheels, antique parts on deck. Harbor Freight heroes all labeled and checked. Bins on the shelf, now my shop feels right. Click goes the latch, oh it's tidy tonight. Used to dig through a tangled mess. Now one quick grab, no guessing, no stress. Open up a drawer, I know what I'll find. A little more order, a little more peace of mind. Bins on the shelf, everything in its place. Screws lined up like they're running a race. Hinges, wheels, antique parts on deck. Harbor Freight heroes all labeled and checked. Bins on the shelf, now my shop feels right. Click goes the latch, oh it's tidy tonight.
And that's it. 3 hours of my time to build this really cool, versatile storage cabinet and tool holder. I could have made it smaller, I could have made it bigger. It cost about $120 to build this. $20 for the half sheet of plywood at Home Depot, and then these bins, which were the most expensive, $100. $9.99 for the small ones and $12.99 for the larger ones. But having a place that I could put all my hardware, my own hardware store, well, that's priceless. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching today's quick project.
One big rack like a parts hotel. Open up a drawer, oh snap, I'm organized as well.